there's a very good way to know about indicators. I define indicators as substances that when you place them in an acidic or a basic solution, they tend to change color to specify if it's an acid or if it's a basic solution. For example, we have methyl orange, we have phenolphthalein, we have the litmus paper. Litmus paper is also an indicator. Then we have methyl red too, etc. Now, for an acidic substance, there are some changes it will change. For a basic substance, there are some changes they will make. So I compounded a table. So listen to the table, Sha. Substances, basic substance, acidic substance, and neutral substance. Please follow. For litmus paper, the first thing to show will be what? Red litmus paper, blue. Abi? So we have blue here. In litmus paper in acidic solution, it will be what? Red will be the final color. Then the last one here will be what? Last one here, neutral will be what? Purple. Purple. So listen. The way I arrange is now for methyl orange. For methyl orange to be what? Yellow. I will show you how I get it. For phenolphthalein it will be what? Pink or red. You can call it pink or red. Now listen. For basic substances, all these ones, you know, we have VYP. So we have VYP for what? For the basic substance. So we have by your pencil. Very easy. Get your pencil, not get your pencil. Don't say get your pencil. Buy your pencil. Just like an advert. Buy your pencil. Very easy. Now for an acidic substance, so I can just put it here. Buy your pencil. So don't forget that. Remember what is buy a pencil. Then for an acidic substance, the color of an acidic substance is the color change that will occur in a litmus paper. The color change that will occur in a litmus paper for an acidic substance will be what? Red. Arrow. The next one will also be red. Then the next one will be what? C. I will explain. There's a drink they call RC Coke. So if you square this R to be what? R square C. So the next one will be what? Red. And the last one was colorless. You get it? So acid substance will be red, will show a red coloration. In methyl orange, it will show what? A red color. In phenolphthalein, it will be what? Colorless. That's for what? This thing. So you can put R square C somewhere. R square C. Then the next one will be what? Next one will be neutral. For neutral, is what they call plaster of Paris, which is POP. For neutral, purple will be the first one. The next one will be what? Orange. Then the last one will be what? Pink. This pink, if you don't see pink in the option you can sometimes be viewed as what? Red. You get so pink or what? Or red. So you have POP. So that's just it. So you can use this to remember your acidic your indicator table. Use it to remember your indicator table. So that's that on what? Indicators.